Hello, I'm Dr. Spitz. Welcome to Smiles in Motion.
At Smiles in Motion, we know a trip to the dentist should be anything but stressful. Relax before your appointment in our spacious and welcoming reception area with a video game or a ride on the slide. In our treatment room, we'll do everything we can to ensure your comfort. Our staff addresses dental care and education in a professional and gentle demeanor. And where else can you watch TV while you get your teeth cleaned? Dr. Spitz's excellent staff at Smiles in Motion have advanced training in children's dentistry and strive to make every visit enjoyable.
Dr. Spitz is a board-certified American Board of Pediatric Dentistry pediatric dentist.
Recognized by our local news for superior service, we're proud to accept the Sunshine Award for making your smiles shine. From infants to teenagers, patients always look forward to their next trip to Smiles in Motion.